Welcome to the Painful Budgeter. I am Payne. Welcome to the Funny Farm. It is Mini Mondays, and every time I sit down to record, I'm always forgetting something. I'm like, oh, I have to go and rewrite my thingies and all that fun stuff for my shoutouts because I like to do them on Mondays. And I always end up getting me too many, and then when I'm editing, I'm like going, why do I always give myself so many? It's like, I got this space, so I'm like, I gotta write them down. So maybe I'll have to write them bigger, or maybe just do the ones that just sub to me, and then do like 3 or 4 of ones and then 3 of the others, so I don't have so much editing to do, because it takes forever to put them in the filming and have their names displayed, and I put them in the description as well, so I always give myself too much work to do. Oh well, I like to do it, and they get pretty good views for the shout outs, plus people like to see their name, and then gets people to go and subscribe to them. If one person can subscribe, it's always great. All right, today I'm gonna do some mini Mondays, and we have some money. I might do some quarter Wednesdays one of these days. But I want to get the bigger games, like the ones where it has the maps. They're a lot more detailed than just the minis, and then change them into like quarters. And then I want to make a couple of myself as well. So I'll have to start looking for some. Coming back in? Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. I had a couple extra ones for last time. Let's put some 5s in there. And put the 2s. Put some 2s in here as well. 2s. So we got some spicy and then some mild, I guess. I don't know. Some spicy and some mild. And today I'm going to do 12 Days of Christmas, because I did some Christmas on Sundays, the Sunday one, and I want to try to build up my Christmas. I want to do this at least once a week, once a month. And I also make sure I put the 12 Days of Christmas in the description, so if you want to upload them, you can. And these are just, I need to see how much this actually adds up to, because it's 12, 22, 30, 36, 40, 42, 42, 40, and then it starts going back down again. All right. And that is a 4. Is that 4 calling birds? 3 mentions. 4 calling birds. I'm just going to do 4 of them because I want to get them kind of done off as quickly as I can. Oops. And that is a 6. 6 geese lazing, because they are lazy geese. You're a lazy goose. Grandma used to always call me a lazy goose. 7 swans of swimming. And she's drinking eggnog, and apparently from her own eggs, so that's cannibalism. That's always nice. 9. 90 ladies dancing. And we'll call that good. Just a 4 then. Hi. Mr. Farrell. One of these days I'll actually get me a dice tower. I have one. There's a place over in the mall that they make them from scratch. And so I was like, I really want to get one from them, because he actually hand makes them. They're like $80 also. Maybe for Christmas. 1, 4, 3, kind of a mild one. 4, got the spicy one there. 4, 1, 3, 4. Come on, I need a number 2. Boom, 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 boom. 4, 3. Now, come on, swans that swim in need at least a couple. 3. Okay, maybe not. 1. They're gonna get no love. 4. No love for them. And 4. No love for the swans a swimming. Are you going inside or out? His girlfriend went outside. Now he's like, where is she? She just came and visited me. She came in, walked around, looked around, and walked back out. Sounds about right. Okay, these are 9. And I've got 4 of them. So I will just do, I'll do her dress or something. I will just, yeah, you don't have to do these like I'm doing, like a mini. You can always go and do the whole amount and stuff and do it quicker or anything. I'm gonna do plus, okay, $4. I'm gonna do plus 4, and I will just do her dress, or maybe just the top part, and then I'll make her dress kind of tutued. There we go. $4. Put that in there. So we got $4, and I think that's 9. Yep, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Let's put that $2 by the 5. And her legs are held up. This was done by an AI. But yeah, her legs are tied up, so hopefully she doesn't swing too far. And that would hurt. I didn't realize that until after I printed it up. I'm like, what the heck? Okay. That's, I hope she's into that stuff. Bless you. You know you get sneezy when you go out there and it's windy. Poor cat's got allergies. Every time he goes outside and it's windy, all he hears 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 4, 8, 9, 10. Hey, got 3 of them. Dude, you're doing so good. And then you decide to go outside. Okay. 4. Get a green phone. Did any of you old enough to have like the phone with the cords when you were a kid? Every time your sister would come around, you'd like spin around her so you can try to strangle her and say, sorry, it was an accident. And then she'd like curse you up, and then your mom would come down the stairs and smack her and like. No, I never did that either. I was never that type of child. It's a blue jay. Actually kind of a cardinal, but I'm going to say he's a blue jay. I will probably just fast forward through this. Dude, you were doing so good, and then you decided to go for a walk. No sniffles or anything for hours, and then you walk outside and you're like... Is this still recording? Okay, yeah. Yeah, I went out to Hobby Lobby and I was looking at their pins and I'm like going, I want to get some more sparkly ones, and then they're like 20 freaking bucks. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna wait till school comes and gets all their I start going discounting when they're trying to get rid of them once school starts or something like that. Four, 5, and 6, and this is 6 Gieselesens. That makes it easy. And we had a green and a ming and any pencil. No. Nope, I got pink and purple. So let's do popcorn then. Some carnival looking popcorn with all the candy. Oh, maybe I'll just do yellow on top. So it's not so weird. Because my other one was like something you get at Christmas or during the holiday. It has all the candy and sugar on it. It's multicolored and yeah. Yeah, this is moldy. No one liked it. It's the Grinch's popcorn. So what do we have in here so far? This is almost, we got $12 more till this one's done. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 5 is 20. All right. That's the money for today. Those are the minis. And put these things back in here. So get ready for chipmunk mode. He's flying to city, going 3 dimensions, 4, nope, 4 calling birds, ow, 4 calling birds, something blazing, 5, he's blazing, 6, he's blazing, 5 going, 4 calling birds, 3 dimensions, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge, no, pig and pear tree, swans, 7 swans swimming, 8 mills making, milks making, I don't know, 9 ladies dancing, 10 lords leaping. I need to go over and make this so you can actually have like the numbers so you actually know what it is. Actually below it's a little bit different, but once you get to like 5, it's like easy enough to figure out. Hey. Okay. Back to normal mode. Oh, lordy. All right. And the shout outs for this week is, did I even write that right? Is that Michelle or Michelle? Michelle Curry. She looks like she's just a watcher. I don't see any subscribers, or she's not publicly subscribed, so I can't go and subscribe to any of her other friends. But hey, thank you for coming over. I Desire Wealth. I shouted out her last week, and so she came over and subscribed to me. Thank you. She's at 1.59. She needs watch hours major league. So if you can go and throw on some of her playlists overnight as you sleep or something, or put it in the living room and then go and do your stuff and come back and get some of her watch hours up. She's very close. She's about 800 or 900 watch hours, so she's almost up there. But she needs a push. She needs to go and do some live streaming and have all of her people come in and just start announcing it every single day. And then come Sunday, just have a whole bunch of people, have like 100 people, and have her do like a 2-hour thing. She should have all the requirements to do a live stream. So she should probably look up into that. And if she gets like 10 or 20 people in there, and that's 2 hours, and she can do that a couple times, do it every Sunday, and go and do some laundry or do some crafting, or have it live stream as she's doing her stuff as well. Instead of just doing her thing, she can actually do a live stream of her books and stuff, and just kind of, if she does multiple streams or multiple thingies, just have it all done live stream of her. Have her show how to doing her setups and everything. Barbrina Marca, 2023. She has mostly like a song list, some spiritual song lists and stuff. She has 26 subs. Cozy Cottage Crafts and Savings. She's a brand new person. She's got 54 subs, so most definitely go over to her and subscribe to her. She needs some love. Let's get her at least to her 100 mark as soon as possible. Freaking flies, go away. I'm not shouting you out. Jim McCory's, whatever. Benjamin Perry, he's just doesn't have any subs or anything like that, so he's unlisted. But hey, thank you for coming over. I want to say Moni Budgets. She has 2.45, 270 vids, so she's been around a little bit. Go and see some of her stuff and some of the mentions. You okay? Ew. Okay. Purple Glimmer Budgets. She has 455 subs, so she's really close to her 500. So go over there and give her some love and give her some subbies so we can get her to her 500 mark. Mon on Money. God, I can't even talk today. She has 20 subs. She's a brand newbie. She's got like 3 videos up there, so go get her some encouragement. Strawberry Money. She has 5.3. I thought that said 53K. I'm like, holy cow. No, she's 5.3K. She has some really good setup. The housewife budgets, she has 360 subs, so she's almost up to her 500. So most definitely go out and get her pushed up above her 400s if we can. That'd be freaking awesome. At Jessie budgets, she's got 1.5K. So yeah, go over and check her out. And some of these are the non-budgeters I just try to throw in there. We have Becoming a Farm Girl. She's really cool if you're into growing in like small areas and stuff like that. And she's like an apartment, so she doesn't have a whole lot. Like she's got like a patio basically, but she does a lot of like farmers markets and seasonal type of stuff, and shows you how to do like not fermenting, but a lot of the other. Her show is like really well put together, and she has such a great personality. So go and see her. MK Fit. She is a fitness exercise. So if you're on a fitness journey and you want something that's kind of easy to follow along with, I like her because she only does like 2 moves per song. She has lots of really cool songs that she does. You know, she'll do like Taylor Swift ones or music from the 90s or all these other ones and stuff. And she's got 564K, so she's working towards her million. But yeah, so and if she has lots of the low impact and if you have movement issues and stuff, she has a lot of stuff that you can substitute with. But yeah, they're very easy to follow along. But yet they're high intensity. I totally work up a sweat whenever I'm doing some of her videos. But yeah, I can still follow along. You don't have to take a break every 5 minutes. I feel like. Hand Tool Rescue. He has 1.13 million. He doesn't. It's like no sound or anything like that. But he does a lot of the different types of tools and takes all the nuts and bolts and take them down to the bare things and rebuilds and stuff. I love that type of stuff, and it's just kind of really relaxing and really good watching it. And he knows how to put a video together. So yeah, go and check him out. See if this is the type of stuff you're interested in. If not, just do a quick little like. So thank you for joining me this Monday. I'm actually doing this on Saturday. Hopefully I'll been kind of having a lazy week. I have to do a lot of cleaning because I've been doing so much on the like how to do this, how to do that, watching videos on how to, how they're setting up things, how they're doing all these other stuff, and trying to write down the books and learn how to do other things and learn about the computer. And it's just, I haven't had a chance to really just sit down and enjoy some of my normal YouTube that I used to like to do on the weekend. So I've been trying to do that today, and my house has been really making up for the time that I've been spending other times. So I need to go and do some cleaning and get everything organized as well, so my house is livable and it doesn't turn into a cesspit. So thank you for joining me. Hope you have a nice weekend. Talk to you later. Love y'all. Bye.